Uganda. Yeah. Omusajja wa Kabaka. I have some really exciting news, which I think it is what it is, what I think it is. So I'm not 100% sure, but it's something I've been waiting for about a year. I announced it last year in 2017. I said it's coming, it's gonna happen, get ready. And I was just checking a few things online on the page, and lo and behold, I think we're here. I'm gonna show you my screen right now, and we're gonna see if it works together. Now, let me tell you something. If this works, this is going to change. This is gonna be groundbreaking in online commerce. This is just gonna disrupt so many levels of commerce. It's really exciting. It's still very fresh, still very new, and I think they just released it without even telling me. Seriously, that's how it is. All right, let me show you. I can't even wait any longer. Okay, here we are, Facebook payments. Pay close attention what's happening here. Payments, Facebook doesn't charge a fee or a percentage for from your page. Connect the payment method below to begin accepting payments from customers who make purchases on your page. We have Stripe, which is almost, I think, in every country in the world. It's pretty big. I know PayPal is huge. And then you can select the currency. Hello. Hello. This is Facebook payments. Now, I actually thought Facebook was going to want to get some kind of income from this. Maybe they're gathering data, maybe not, I'm not sure. All I know is I'm gonna set this up right now, and I am going to fill you in on how it works. Has it arrived? We're about to find out. I think we're welcoming Facebook payments. Payments through Facebook, however you wanna call it. What I've just noticed is we now have the ability to collect payments through either Stripe or through PayPal. I'm going to set this up right now, and I'm gonna do it live with you right here, right now. And I'm actually trying to decide who I'm gonna use. I think I'm just gonna use Stripe because I personally like using my Stripe account. I use it primarily for business. So Facebook Commerce would like to connect to your Stripe account. Because I was wondering, when I read this, it's saying that Facebook is not gonna take any payments from your Facebook products, or Facebook's not going to make any money from these transactions, which boggles my mind. So what is the point, Facebook? Are they going to gather the data on every purchase? That's probably what's going to happen. They want the data. They want the purchasing data, which I can totally understand. But this just makes Facebook, again, on another level. I said this back in 2017, that this was coming. And actually, I think I said it in 2016, in the beginning of 2016. But now it's here, and it's right here. We're here. All right. So let that happen. It's probably going to send me a passcode, as it normally does. Let me get this twice. Okay, it's connected. Bam. Great. Select currency. It doesn't look like we can change currencies right now. To ensure that all transactional information associated with your account is accurate, your selected currency can't be changed. Okay, not sure why that is, but it's connected. Okay, let's go to the page, because this is the most important part right here. This is where it all begins now, where we will now be able to purchase products. Let me go to shop. I think this is, now, I don't even know how far along. I kind of set up a few products in here just to see what would happen. They never allowed, and no, Still can't. That's interesting. All these views. I only have a message. That is not what we're looking for. Dang. This might now, it's not under offer. It's going to be under shop, but I don't know why it's not clicking over yet. Okay. You can share your shop. I don't know if you knew you could do that, but you could share your shop, whatever you're selling and offering. You could do that. You could share a collection within a shop. However, it doesn't look like right now, it doesn't look like at the moment it's still working. Now, maybe, not sure. Not 100% sure. Not sure why that's happening yet. But it's one step closer to making it happen. So where do you find this? Go into your page, go under settings, over to the left, look under payments over there on the left, and it takes you to the payment section. That's where it happens. Boom. So you can always edit if you want to change, remove account. You can connect one or the other, PayPal or Stripe, one of the two. So that's pretty cool. That's really cool. Yeah. All right. So I'm heading down to Serena Hotel. Gonna head over to my book reading club at Serena. So I just arrived at Hotel Serena. This is where we actually have our weekly Readers Club meeting, which is called The Table. And today we're probably gonna be picking a new book for 2018, which is gonna be really exciting. Excited to see some of my friends I haven't seen in a while. Really interesting, exciting. There is heavy security here. They don't allow filming on the premises. So I'm gonna have to kill my camera here in just a second. Otherwise, they'll make me delete my videos. So we're learning Chinese and Japanese. How do you say hello in Chinese?
你好.
Oh, see? 你好. 你好. Now, how do you say hello in Japanese?
こんにちは.
Oh, she's good. Konnichiwa. That is the proper way to say that.